Hello, welcome to the Oxford Foundation website. My name is Monowar Hussain. I'm the founder and director of the Oxford Foundation. We have three major strands of work. The first strand is challenging extremism. The Oxford Muslim Pupils Empowerment Programme is the first initiative of its kind confronting violent extremist ideology in the West. It is specifically aimed at young people from the ages of 14 to 21. So schools, colleges and universities, it is freely downloadable. We've created a sophisticated program that has a theological element, so it confronts the violent extremists and what they stand for theologically. We then use art, we use music, we use storytelling, we have a strong component of interfaith work. No other program that I'm aware of exists in the West that was created to confront a violent extremist ideology, but also develop and open young people to the possibilities of art, to the possibilities of music, to the possibilities of storytelling, poetry, all sorts of other ways through which they could contribute to Great Britain, but to European culture. The second thing that we promote, which has more of an international dimension, is something called the Aman Message. It was an initiative led by King Abdullah of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. And it was really to say who has the right to declare other people not Muslim and therefore justify violence against them, and also define who a Muslim is and whether it is legitimate to declare others or as non-Muslim, i.e. excommunicate them. So this is an initiative that's been endorsed by some of the world's highest Islamic authorities. So we try and promote that with schools, with universities and with colleges. Our second strand is about deepening understanding between people of different faiths, cultures and ethnic backgrounds. How we do this is through promoting a document called A Common Word, which is an initiative between the Islamic world and the Christian world. It was initiated by His Royal Highness Prince Ghazi bin Muhammad, the patron of the Oxford Foundation. And this was really to say, how can Christians and Muslims live in harmony, in coexistence and in respect. So this document outlines the Islamic position on this, and then there are responses from some of the highest authorities in the Christian world. So we try and explore this document through our work with young people in schools and colleges and universities. The other thing that we do is we create and develop our own interfaith projects, which again are focused on young people, on developing their understanding of each other. It creates space in which they can discuss issues of concern to them, and also through that conversation they can develop a deeper sense of understanding about one another. Our third strand is developing educational programs. So at the moment, for example, we have what we term as the Capturing History series. So this is about capturing histories of elders in East Oxford, and we're doing this in partnership with a number of state and public schools. We're also in partnership with Callow College, University of Oxford. We also have a very strong and powerful strand of mentoring. The mentoring that we do is specialist. There are two types of mentoring that we do. One is specialist that we've developed ourselves, which is one-to-one mentoring, and this is very much young people who are disengaged with education, who come from difficult and disadvantaged backgrounds. So we do mentoring with them. Our second strand of mentoring is in partnership with Mosaic Network, which was founded by His Royal Highness Prince Charles. I also serve on the National Advisory Board of Mosaic. It's a very powerful movement. It makes a huge difference to young people throughout the UK. So we're very proud to be working with Mosaic and delivering mentoring in Oxfordshire.